Have you ever wondered why AC sockets are larger? Understanding this can help ensure safety. AC sockets handle high voltage and high current safely. Let's break down the reasons. First, larger sizes ensure safe spacing between contacts. This prevents accidental contact during use. Second, strong connectors are essential for reliable connections. They withstand wear and tear from regular use. Third, many AC sockets come with built-in safety features. Grounding reduces the risk of electric shock significantly. Fourth, insulation helps to prevent overheating. This maintains safer operation in high-load scenarios. Lastly, larger designs discourage misuse. They prevent the wrong plugs from fitting into AC sockets. Let's summarize what we learned. Larger AC sockets provide safety through spacing and strong connectors. Built-in features like grounding and insulation further protect users. Try using this knowledge to identify safe outlets at home. Don't forget to subscribe to ElectroBasics for more exciting content.